y'all, we're going to do something a little bit special today. It is a little more time consuming than most of my recipes, but I promise you it'll be worth it. We're going to make some soy-free, gluten-free, keto hamburger buns or sandwich buns, whatever you want to use them for. You can also get a hot dog bun mold from Amazon. Before we get started, I'm going to show you the molds that we're going to use, and I did get both of these from Amazon. So this one is my favorite, and you can see it's got the little bitty holes in it. See if I can get that in the camera just right. But this one's my favorite, and it does 8 at a time. This one is alright, I like it too, but I don't like the way the buns necessarily come out. But I'm going to use both of them and show you, and you can make the decision for yourself before you order them. They're very inexpensive, and they're worth every single penny. Alright, let's get started.